Definition of HAZOP: Hazard and Operability Study is a systematic way of identifying hazard. Means it's a systematic way. You have to do work properly, step by step, identifying hazard in work process. Consider a chilling plant as your work process. In this approach, we break down the process in small steps. Then, if you're considering a chilling plant, first you will take a step as a you consider a pump, right? Consider a pump, and you check the various variations in it, and work parameters will be the pressure, flow. These will be your work parameters, temperature, and you will check the variations with the help of guide words like no pressure, more pressure, less pressures, less flow, more flow, right? And work parameters is considered for each step for finding out problems before they occur. And by doing all this step by step, you will avoid the problem or avoid the hazard which is expected, or in case if that occur, we can avoid that in future. HAZOP were developed in 1960 by Imperial Chemical Industry in England. It was recognized that for a new, large, novel single unit, complex continuous process, the historical method of design checking were not enough. A procedure called critical examination was developed, where a team reviewed a process one line at a time, writing down and analyzing its purpose. In the 1970s, the method was speeded up by carrying out design in PNID. Process of HAZOP. First, you have to select the task or job. Suppose you are taking a chilling plant, then you have to arrange a team that will work on it. Then make a plan, collect data, information regarding chilling plant. Arrange a schedule, date. Divide the job into parts. First take pump, then select a part. Identify problem, hazard. Then identify possible remedial measures, what can be done if there is any problem. Repeat the same for each part. Then second part. After then record the examination. Then follow up the action implemented, and then restudy the parts again, and then produce final output report. HAZOP study concept: divide process flow into section, that is reactor, storage. Then choose a study node, line, vessel or pump. Then describe the design intent, that is 20 bar, 400 degrees Celsius, etc. Select guide word, process parameter, no, more, less, as well as apply guide word. Then team identify all practical cause and consequences, information recorded, results are analyzed, follow-up recommendation made. Advantages of HAZOP: take time, therefore apparent, that is obviously, ensure proper commitment, prevent incident or accidents. ICI monitored new project over 8-year period. Project with HAZOP had fewer failures. Please